right, so number 23. Which line from the poem best supports the idea that John Henry is speedy at his job? I love these. I love my favorite little keyword here, the word that. Look after it. Okay. What idea are we trying to support? We are trying to support the idea that John Henry is speedy at his job. Okay, so on your loose leaf. Now, this is one you could probably prove on your screen, but I want to see your thoughts and corrections. So put it on your loose leaf. This is number 23. Which line supports idea that? Look after it to see what the idea is. John Henry is speedy at his job. So we have A, B, C, D, and we want to support that idea that he's speedy at his job. Let's look at A. He could hammer for days without a break. Ask yourself, does that prove that he is speedy? Well, it says he could hammer for days. That proves that he is tenacious and has a lot of endurance, but it doesn't necessarily mean that he is speedy. So I would X out A. Take a look at B. His hammer moved so fast, people could only see a blur. Well, does that show that he is speedy if he is fast? Yes, it does. So I'm thinking that B looks pretty good. Hammer moved fast. I don't know why this is doing this. Fast at hammering equals speedy at job. He's looking pretty good. Let's look at C. The sound of his hammer on a rock made a sweet hum. Ask yourself, does that prove that John Henry is speedy at his job? No, it's just the sound that it makes. It doesn't tell us whether it's fast or slow. So I think we can get rid of C. D. John Henry braced himself and started to work. So you ask yourself, does that prove that John Henry is speedy at his job? No. Has nothing to do with speed. So the basic thing is you need to find what the idea is that you are trying to support. You're usually going to find it right after the word that. John Henry is speedy at his job, and ask yourself each time, does that prove this idea? Does that prove this idea? Okay. That is it for number 23.